Hello student, once again I come with new video. Hi, Jane Alam sir. Today's chapter is atomic nucleus, subtopic radioactivity. In 1896, French scientist Henri Becquerel, while conducting experiment with uranium salt, quite accidentally discovered the phenomenon of natural radioactivity. He found that the salt spontaneously emits penetrating radiation similar to X-rays from within itself. Shortly afterward, Madame Curie and her husband Pierre Curie found that pitchblende, an ore of uranium, emits similar type of radiation. They concluded this phenomenon as a property of the nucleus. The phenomenon is spontaneous because any physical or chemical condition cannot change the emission of radiation. These radiation are known as Becquerel's law. So, today's definition of radioactivity. Radioactivity is a nuclear phenomenon of spontaneous emission of alpha or beta and gamma radiation from the nuclei of heavy atom with atomic number higher than 82. The radioactive substances are uranium, radium, polonium, thorium, and actinium, etc. Here you can see how radiation is showing in my diagram. It is a lead box and radioactive substances are kept in the lead box, and while electric charge is showing, when electric current is passed over it, three rays, upper one is beta rays, middle one is gamma rays, and lower one is green colors alpha ray emitted from the lead black box. This picture showing that when atoms of nucleus like radium, uranium, polonium, different types of rays are emitted. Alpha particles are emitted. Beta particle is showing over here negative charge. Alpha particle are showing positive charge, and gamma rays are emitted having no charges. Next, the nature of alpha, beta, gamma rays. Rutherford and his co-worker discovered that Becquerel's ray is a combination of alpha, beta, and gamma radiation. These rays are active radiation as they can affect photographic plate. So here you can see the nature of alpha rays. Properties: alpha rays having two proton and two neutron as like helium atoms, whereas beta rays having electrons, and gamma ray highly electronegative in nature. Next we go to the charges. Positive charge consists of alpha ray consists positive charge, negative charge beta rays, and gamma rays no charges. While if you go to the mass, 4 times the mass of proton alpha rays, and in case of beta rays, mass is equal to the mass of an electron, where gamma rays have no mass really. Next, penetrating power. Alpha rays penetrating power is very small, whereas beta rays larger than alpha particle penetrating power in respect of, and whereas gamma rays very large, up to a few hundred meters penetrating power. Ionizing power, in case of ionizing power, alpha rays maximum ionizing power, whereas beta rays less than alpha particles, and gamma rays have practically no ionizing power, that is least ionizing power. Next, we go to the effect on atomic number and mass number due to alpha, beta, gamma radiation. Due to emission of alpha particle, the atomic number decreases by 2 units and mass number decreases by 4 units. Here you can see the chart. Atomic number Z, when alpha particle emitted decreases by 2 units, and at that means atomic number will be decreases by 2 units, and when beta ray emitted, atomic number will be increases by 1 unit, and when gamma ray is emitted, no changes in atomic number. In case of mass number, when alpha ray emitted decreases by 4 units, that means mass number will be decreases, and in case of beta emission, no change, and in case of gamma emission, no change. One example you can see, due to emission of alpha particle, atomic number decreases by 2 unit and mass number decreases by 4 unit. Here you can see the example. Here one example. Suppose atom of X whose atomic number A and mass number is Z. When it alpha ray is emitted, it form a new molecules, that is Y, and its atomic number became A minus 4, and mass number also became Z minus 2. One example you can see. Next, here one example. Suppose uranium whose atomic number is 92 and mass number is 238. In case of alpha particles, when alpha particle is emitted, atomic number is changes by 2 units, that means 92 to 90, and mass number is changes by 4 units. 238 became to 234. It formed uranium to thorium, and 4 helium ions is produced. Next, second example. Due to emission of beta particle, atomic number increases by 1 unit, but mass number remains same. One example I am showing in these cases. One example is here. Suppose P is the name of the elements whose atomic mass number is Z, and atomic number is Z, sorry, and mass number is A. While when it is emitting beta particle, it form a new molecules, that is new atom Q, whose atomic number became Z plus 1 and mass number became same. For example, here you can see the example C. C means carbons whose mass number is 14 and atomic number is 6, is formed N. Mass number increases by, mass number remains same, no changes, but atomic number is decreases by 1, increases by 1 unit, 6 to 7. Have you watched? Next example is due to gamma radiation, no change in the mass and charge occur. SI unit of radioactivity is becquerel. 1 becquerel is equal to 1 disintegration per second or 1 event per second. The common units for measuring activity of radioactive substance is Curie. 1 Curie is 3.70 into 10 to the power 10 disintegration per second. Here you see the diagram of radioactive power plant where electric power is formed due to radiation, and in the second diagram you see the different electronics substance producing radiation, non-ionizing radiation like mobile tower, microphone, like visible light, visible light, they are all non-ionizing radiation producing. But in case of X-ray, gamma ray, when we are in medical use, here ionizing radiation is produced. Ultraviolet ray are showing over here. And the third picture are radioactive material. When you get radioactive material, they are written caution over radioactive materials. Uses of radioactivity. Radioactivity is used in medical field in the treatment of thyroid. Radioactive iodine are used in the treatment of blood cancer or leukemia, or to detect brain tumor. Radioactive phosphorus is used, while in treatment of malignant cancer, radioactive cobalt is used, and in detection of blood circulation in the heart, radioactive sodium are used. Next, to determine the age of plants and animals, radiocarbon is used, while the age determine the age of old rock, that is dating, can be calculated using uranium 238, potassium 40 radioisotopes are used. The age of older rock I have mentioned. And lastly, in agriculture, radioactive samples are widely used in improving food production and soil fertilities. So here we can want to finish today's chapter. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then,